Welcome to MotorMav. Today we are going to discuss about the methods of installing VTEC on a non-VTEC engine. VTEC means variable valve timing and lift electronic control. There is no risk at all if we put a VTEC engine in a non-VTEC car. We can make this transformation of VTEC engine in two different ways. The expensive method is to get the harness out of VTEC Honda and the ECU and key flash. On the other hand, the cheaper and most applied way is to get the VAFC2 VTEC controller out along with the wire and attach it to the harness we already have. But, the replacement of non-VTEC engine with a VTEC is a bit tricky. We need to wire up our VTEC into the ECU through the shock towers or the firewall. While wiring up the firewall, ensure the plugging is below the battery box. Or wiring up through the shock towers will make it look like an OEM. When two engines are of the same series, the engine blocks and the crankshafts and pistons are identical in their way. So, there will be no problem to bolt down the VTEC block with non-VTEC head. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. See you soon. Till then, goodbye.